If your doctor has told you that your liver is damaged, he or she has probably also told you the best way to repair it is through a liver-friendly diet. There are certain foods you should eat more of while eating less of others. Here are some general food tips for improving liver health. Eat a well-rounded diet that includes modest servings from all food groups. Food with a lot of fiber is best. Foods that contain beneficial fiber include a variety of nuts, vegetables, especially cruciferous vegetables, whole grain breads, rice, and cereals. Avoid foods that have a lot of fat, sugar, and salt, especially fried foods and foods offered by most fast food restaurants. Beef is high in fat. Processed deli meats are high in both fat and salt. Definitely avoid raw or undercooked shellfish, such as oysters and clams. White bread and most types of pasta should be limited or replaced in your diet. This can be especially tough for some people, but white flour lacks fiber and is highly processed. It can raise both your blood sugar and your blood pressure, which will eventually cause problems for your liver. Everyone knows that drinking a lot of alcohol is bad for your liver. Ask your doctor if you should avoid alcohol completely or just drink moderately. The more your liver is damaged, the less alcohol you should consume, if you consume any at all. Meanwhile, drink a lot of water. It helps your liver to function better and avoids dehydration, which is especially harmful to liver cells. Your liver performs hundreds of metabolic functions in your body. The best way to make sure they keep performing at peak levels is to follow the guidelines spelled out in this video.